Hello students, welcome to Narayana live classes. Let us see today's assignment based on chemical reactions and equations. First question, the chemical equation represents dash. A chemical equation represents chemical reaction. Next question, magnesium plus dash gives rise to magnesium oxide. Magnesium reacts with oxygen, we are getting magnesium oxide. And let us see the next question. The formula for magnesium oxide. What is the formula for magnesium oxide? MgO. And another question. Magnesium plus oxygen gives rise to magnesium oxide. Mg plus O2 gives rise to MgO. So in this reaction, the product is magnesium oxide. What is the formula of magnesium oxide? MgO, right? And next question, the reactants are written on the dash side with a plus sign between them. So let us take any reaction. For suppose if you consider magnesium plus oxygen gives rise to magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. So in this case, see here, magnesium and oxygen, when they are reacting together, we are getting magnesium oxide. So atoms of an element which is present in the left hand side, that we are calling it as reactants. What we are calling? Reactants. So the reactants are written on the dash side with a plus sign between them. What we can say, what is the answer? Left hand side. Okay. So next one, see here the magnesium oxide, formation of magnesium oxide which is present in the right hand side, that we can say product. So magnesium oxide is product, right? And let us see the next question. So if the number of atoms of each element same on both sides, then the equation is said to be. So in this case, for suppose if you see that magnesium plus oxygen gives rise to magnesium oxide, the same equation. So here the number of atoms of each element same on both sides. So now let us balance the equation. 2Mg, right? So when magnesium reacts with oxygen, here we are getting magnesium oxide, right? So here two atoms of magnesium atom in reactant side, and here also it must be 2. Okay. First we need to take the unbalanced equation, which is nothing but what? The atoms of an element which is present in the reactant side, it is not going to be equals to the product side. So if you balance the equation, see here 2 magnesium atoms in reactant side and 2 magnesium atoms in product side, and 2 oxygen atoms in reactant side and 2 oxygen atoms in product side, right? So reactant side 2 atoms of oxygen and product side 2 oxygen atoms. So if the number of atoms of each element same on both sides, that equation we are calling it as balanced equation, right? And let us go for next question. Magnesium plus oxygen gives rise to magnesium oxide. Mg plus O2 gives rise to MgO. In this reaction, the reactants are. So what are the reactants here? Magnesium and oxygen, right? So left hand side, what we are present, of course the what magnesium and oxygen which is present in the reaction. Left hand side reactants of elements which is present in the chemical reaction, that what we are calling reactants. So magnesium and oxygen are reactants, right? And if the number of atoms of each element not same on both the sides, then the equation is said to be. If the number of atoms of each element is not same on both sides, that equation we can call it as unbalanced equation or skeleton equation. Let us see the next question and last one. Dash is a skeletal chemical equation for the burning of magnesium in air. So what is the skeletal equation we have taken here? When magnesium reacts with the oxygen, it can form magnesium oxide. Mg plus O2 gives rise to MgO. Right children, I hope you all understood today's assignment. Thank you everyone.